You want to find out how and where should you implement GenAI and agentic AI within your business workflows or corporate function in order to improve efficiency and improve quality. So here in this fictional situation, Ace Insurance wants to improve their casualty underwriting process by using GenAI. How can we use a scientific approach to look at business workflows and identify exactly where GenAI will maximize value and where you should still keep human judgment? There is a meeting that took place. And this is the minutes of the meeting as Copilot has transcribed it. It has the underwriters, the head of the underwriters, the IT function people, and the consultant asking about the process. Now, here, what we advise, don't take notes anymore unless you like taking notes. Focus on drilling down in understanding how the underwriting process works. And when you have this, on a click of a button, you choose an LLM to go through this minute and extract the process flow for you using the best practice of lean methodology and Six Sigma that we've trained the LLM to do. The LLM will now extract your flowchart. This is done. A link is created. When you click on the link, the whole BPMN diagram or the process flow diagram is created for you based on what has been discussed. Something which would have taken hours, 4 to 5 hours, is done in minutes. Now, you can validate that process flow diagram, and when done, you can choose a process box like price risks rating. Click on the investigator here, and what you have now are all the environment variables that impacts or influence this process box. For example, the input data type. It can be structured, semi-structured, unstructured. The data complexity, simple, moderate, or complex, which is multimodal. So based on those annotation fields, as you select the different values, what we've done is we use that to calculate the entropy of that process, which means that if it's very high entropy, very disordered, keep it human, use human judgment. If it's high entropy, GenAI with human in the loop. If it's low entropy, use GenAI. If it's very low entropy, use predicate logic type of software, programmatic. So this uses mathematics to tell you and recommend where and how you should use GenAI. When you click on deep analysis, it generates a report for you for the risk management, the change management, technology and technical solution that you need, the alignment to business goal. And if you want to push this to Copilot Studio Power Automate to create your agentic workflow, you can generate a file that will automatically take everything that you've done here and create the code that you can forward engineer into Power Automate. Here you go, here, if I click on that, there's the code. You can push this to Power Automate and then draw your agent and your workflow. So from Teams meeting to agentic workflow in a matter of hours compared to weeks. This is the value of using a scientific approach to evaluate the entropy of your processes in order to understand where GenAI will minimize hallucination and maximize value for you and where you should use human. Thank you so much.